I think the things that people look for when choosing a surgeon in a surgical program are outcomes and quality of the practice, the quality of the institution that they work and practice at, because that's the supporting cast around them, the types of services the practice offers, and also the relationship with the surgeon on an individual basis. I think the most important thing to look at when choosing a surgeon is the relationship and the bond you have with the surgeon. We can have excellent outcomes, we have excellent programs, we offer unique services, but you as a patient have to be comfortable with the person who is going to operate on you. And that is the single most important thing. Patients always want to know about their problem, about what the options to treat their problem are, about the nature of the procedure we may be recommending, about the risks of that procedure, typically our outcomes with that procedure, how many of those we do, and what the steps involved and what the journey they're going to take, not just in the operating room but afterwards. How quickly are they going to be out of intensive care? When are they going to be up on the floor? When am I going to walk? When am I going to take a shower? Am I going to do steps? When can I drive? When will I be back at work? Those are all the things, and I think supporting the patient and also the family through that endeavor is a major part of what we do. I think the most important thing is the patient-physician relationship, and I think the best testament to the kind of relationships we're able to form with our patients is the fact that many of my patients stay in touch with me years after surgery, and I still get cards for birthdays and Christmas and whenever they had a baby or a grandchild or other things like that, and they value that time because they see it as time added to their life and quality added to their life that we were able to provide them. And I think they're grateful to communicate that with us, and we're appreciative of hearing it because it's very satisfying to